We are landing in Jamaica and everything is different.
In Israel, for
Lotion,
a guy to
it's-
put
it's
lotion
for,
on his body, like
Why?
cream,
It's like why?
it's
in
like
Israel?
why? Guys, they shouldn't show their emotions. They shouldn't cry. I'm wondering if it's abroad also or in
It's
Israel.
interesting.
Today we're going to speak about our masculine and feminine energy.
How we've been taught to be in Israel as a girls and how we let ourselves be in Jamaica.
Jamaica really taught us how to connect to our feminine energy and not necessarily to be masculine and not
You know?
apologize on it.
We're the Yaman girls, for those who don't know.
We came to Jamaica in order to make music, vlog.
And talking about life, this is my side of the deal.
My side is the music.
So come with us to the journey.
Let's start. In Israel, they grew us up as women to be
As
very as women.
That's it.
To be very, very tough women. As more as you're tough, and masculine and
They're not saying
drinking
masculine,
espresso
but,
and holding a gun, you're a better woman.
you're badass,
You're better. If you're starting to do drama, to make drama from everything, and to be like, we call it drama queen. You call it drama queen. All of us call it drama queen. They're saying to you like you're like all the women, and if you're not doing drama, they're like, oh, you're a cool girl. Like
I
you're
like
really,
you.
yeah, you know what is how you should be. You know what is life.
I
You
will
know,
tell
you
you
know.
something. It's under the radar. All those messages is under the radar. Like, they will not say to you,
Be masculine.
be masculine,
be man.
but they will say to you, if I will drink a double espresso, for example, it's tough, double espresso. It's not gentle like cafe latte. Okay,
Yeah, it's
so I will
Like a macchiato, caramel,
caramello,
latte, ice
okay?
on ice.
That we like it sometimes. I don't. I like double espresso. Actually, I like strong tastes, but it's something also that I knew that under the radar, it's also cool to be
It's
like
cool
this,
to be. Like
okay?
to drink beer,
I
to
will
drink whiskey.
the double espresso, and then the guy will tell me, "Oh, you're."
I'm wondering if it's only in Israel, but what I saw, it's only in Israel. But
So this is under the radar, And if a guy will want to drink cocktail, for example, cocktail is for a girl, so don't do that.
feminine.
No.
for example, in Jamaica, we saw that guys they're putting lotions. Okay,
Yeah.
now in Israel, for
Lotion,
a guy to
it's-
put
it's
lotion
for,
on his body, like
Why?
cream,
It's like why?
it's
in
like
Israel.
why?
Why?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Maga.
And it's like why? Why? Okay. And in Jamaica, we know if they are putting lotion, it means that it's not that connect to this even thinking,
In Israel, it's really connect all this. Like guys, they shouldn't show their emotions. They shouldn't cry. They shouldn't really. They need to be really, really tough.
They couldn't.
It's never heavy to them.
It's not good to put a coat in the winter.
Yeah, you know that in the army, it came a lot from the army, but in the army, you have a thing, you have the uniform, that this is how you're going home, okay? You have uniform in the base, it's called B uniform, and A uniform, that it means when you're going home, you need to look beautiful, the official one. And when you are in the official one, as a warrior, there is a thing to fold the sleeves until here, okay? Even in the winter, even if it's 5 degrees, 0
Doesn't
degrees,
matter.
doesn't matter. You
They
need
are
to fold.
shaking, people. They are like
And
this.
you
No,
don't
I
put coat. You
I'm
don't
not
put
cold.
coat.
I'm not cold.
And
They
you're
are
saying
like
you're not cold. Like I saw my friends who were on a mountain in Jerusalem. Now Jerusalem in the winter, it's cold, you have snow. Okay? He was like that and he was like that. And I told him, you want my coat? Like I have a lot of coats on me. And he said, no, I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior. And I was like, oh my God, what is this?
Oh my day. Why?
Why? I didn't understand.
So this is how the culture here in Israel. So with that, all this package culture as a
We
women,
flew to
we flew to
Jamaica.
Jamaica. You understand?
Like
We are-
that.
We are landing in Jamaica and everything is different. In
Like I
regards to-
thought it's cool, okay? If a guy will see me drink beer, it's cool. But no, it wasn't cool
they
to anyone.
want you to be feminine. They want you to be with nails and say,
If you don't have nails, it's like, why you don't have nails?
no, I want
If
no.
you don't put lotions, it's like, oh, your skin is dry, you need to put lotion.
Yeah.
It was so
Everything.
different.
It's like I need to sit there and be like that.
If
yeah.
you shoot a video and you're taking a video, you're cute.
Now in Israel also, I can be at the bar. People will buy me drinks and stuff, yeah? But it's not like in Jamaica. There I need to be
You
to
need to play,
apologize
to
myself.
play-
No,
oh,
it's like to apologize, or maybe he wants to pay, not want to pay. It's like games with all the feminist movement and all what happened in the world. So it's really hit hard in Israel, and the guys here wants to be men but don't want to be men.
They don't really, like, they don't
They want to
think
be gentlemen, but they don't
guy
want to
need
be
to
gentlemen.
pay. Like, now it's very changing.
It's
the
blurry,
situa-
and we don't know how to behave. And when I flew to Jamaica and I sat on the bar at the AC hotel, I'm just sitting there, and someone give me a drink from the other side of the bar. It's like
always
I can
felt
say in
good.
Israel it's happened to me really back then. Now
It's rare.
Not it's rare. So then he looked at me and just want to bring me drink. And when I was in Israel,
You
all the
feel a
time
lady
feel-
when it's happened. You feel
Yeah.
a woman.
Right, that someone is really courting me. Like, he looked at me, he thinks that I'm beautiful, he's masculine, he wants to show, to conquer, to whatever. And then
conquer.
he deliver. I can do whatever I want with that. But what happened in Israel? In Israel, I feel that I need to
Be that girl.
to be
To be the man.
to be apologized, like now I need to be with him. Now I need to, if I don't want it. In Jamaica, I less felt that, and it bring me the awareness to just, he wants to give me. If I want to take, okay, it doesn't mean that I have to give him back. It doesn't mean he wants it. He did it. I didn't push him. I didn't ask him. I didn't nothing. So I learned this lesson is like,
Sometimes they just want to give you.
yeah.
We felt like as a women there, sometimes they just want to give you.
To show
and
their-
don't
their-
say I
their
don't want or
strengths.
whatever. They want to give you. Take it.
Yes.
That's what they're saying. Like someone, he just gave us bottle of wine. We sat at AC Hotel in Kingston.
If you want girls, if you want to be
AC
Jamaica,
hotel.
hotel on the bar,
We just
you
sat
sit
there
be
and
like
then-
that, like that.
And then he looked at us and he didn't try to hit on us. Someone will say, now, of course he tried. No, he didn't say anything, okay? But if he tried, I don't know. But he just
We become friends until
said,
now.
he just said to the bartender, give them what they want to drink. And we took 2 glasses of wine. And then he told them, give them the rest of the wine, the bottle. He gave us bottle of wine. And then he asked us, what are you eating? He ordered for us food. And he just paid for everything without even us sitting with him.
And
okay?
actually,
we didn't know this
want
guy.
food that time. We were full, so we told him we don't want food. and
I
then-
ordered fries.
And then he told us, why no? Take something. Take something. And I
don't
feel-
like to waste.
Yeah, I don't like to waste. It's not money. It's food actually. I will not order food in
If
order
I'm not
to
going to
throw
eat it.
If I'm not going to eat it, and also I will not order food only because someone else is paying. I don't like it. It's not something that I'm doing. So when he said
Mama
that,
taught us well.
yeah, Ayelet really like fries. Doesn't matter when, where, and what, and okay. So she ordered fries, but we were full.
Also, we really feel uncomfortable when someone give us so much. Like
Yeah.
when we don't know the guy and he just like gave us bottle of wine, we will not ask for food. Also, although he said to us, "You want food?" We feel like, okay, I can pay for the food. It's okay because in Israel, I will not really let much people to pay on me. Not really. In Israel, it's. You
And it's
feel
funny.
like you need to do something. You need to give him a company or you need to be with him. Like
Yeah.
if he ordered for you drinks, it means necessary only that he wants to eat on you. Like he wants to, like, and if you will say to him no, he can tell you. So why did you take the drink? Or like it can be like
it can
this
be like he
situation.
doing that, and we know that something will be outcome of it. And sometimes I don't want it. I
You're
don't
saying
want that
like,
someone
no,
will
thank
buy
you.
me. Don't buy.
They're
Don't buy
suggesting
everything.
like, what are you drinking? But usually, if you take, it's
It
only
means
for.
that I need to be with him now this evening. Like, doesn't mean that I have to go with him home. But
it's
but it
unwritten
means the company,
rules.
Yeah. But also, it's funny because it's way different when someone is inviting to his house and everything is open and
Yeah, in
something
Israel, it's
in
very
Israel
open.
is really open, and they open a big table and everything and all their house, like the hospitality here in their house.
Wow, I've
is
never seen something like that.
in
Seriously.
abroad, nothing. So it's like so contradict.
You're going to put pictures of our house when
Yeah.
we invite people. Like meals, it's like 10 kind of
And
salads.
you don't think about the money or about
You
they
don't
need to
think.
pay to me back or
You
stuff
don't
like that.
think.
No, it's really hospitality from Abraham,
In the
our
Bible.
father, So this,
But seriously, like I feel like Jamaica really opened us up to be feminine and to feel that
it's
it's
okay.
okay to be a girl. It's okay if you feel like you want to cry now. It's okay. It's funny to say that, yeah, but in Israel, you will not do much dramas a lot of time because
Also
you
to
know that
ask
the
myself-
drama is not good.
Right.
Like the drama, it means you're not really a good woman. Like be tough. What is this drama? Why are you crying all the time? But in Jamaica, it's like every time you just have a tears, they will just
They are containing this situation, like the woman situation. And also when I'm on the bar, I can have my cocktail and feel this. It's not only in Jamaica I felt it. It was my journey to connect to my other side, the feminine side, the strong side. It's really strong side in me that I denied or neglected, because it's less count in Israel. And I will do like that because I feel that we are in a creation. This earth is like, it's a feminine earth. So the feminine spirit is really strong, and I have to connect with that side of me. It's like, it's me. So in Jamaica, it was easy to be that and not apologize about it. And when I was on the bar, it's funny, it's small things, but I will not think if I want whiskey only to show people that I'm drinking whiskey. It's also, I like whiskey, but sometimes it's a show off, and I ask myself, what I want now? I want cocktail, I want to be that, what I want, what experience I want to experience, and not regards to how people will look at me and think about me. Was really important.
I feel like this is how we grew up maybe in Israel, but it's not something you cannot change. So when we flew to Jamaica and we had this journey, it's like reminded us that it's okay to be feminine, and it's okay to drink whatever you love and to eat whatever you want. And if you're taking a burger that is well done or medium, it doesn't.
It's funny that we are talking about it.
Yeah, but it doesn't show about your character, And in Israel it does, but once you understand it, and the journey in Jamaica like makes us think, okay, what we love, and just to do that, not necessarily what's the environment.
Yeah, think about
me and what they want. So it was really strong lesson.
Or what character I am
creating about myself. So I want to be in Israel. I want this
I want to
character. In the beginning, it was a character that guys will love, and how they love. It's a girl that doesn't do drama, that eat medium in a burger, drink beer,
and then
doesn't cry every day.
We are really disconnected with ourselves, really, in that specific time. Like now, I'm that girl, and in about 5 minutes, I will be another girl, because it's present, and it's changing all the time. My willing, what I want here and what I want there, and it's not a character that I need to maintain and say, this character love whiskey, so now I will order only whiskey. No.
Not only this character. It's if I love whiskey, it means I'm a better person.
Yeah. No.
If I'm on TikTok, it doesn't mean
shallow.
You're shallow. No.
All of this.
I'm wondering if it's abroad also or in Israel.
Interesting.
Because I know that a lot of girls, they say that they're embarrassed, to do YouTube outside on the street. Like I'm talking about girls from England, from New York.
It's bare.
It's but on the same time, I'm wondering if it's because of the same.
Shallow?
Yeah. For us, it's because it means you're shallow usually when you're shooting videos. So it comes from a different place, not from embarrassment of what you do. You understand? It's how you look more. So I'm wondering, how is it? Like if it's the same on the same wound.
I'm reading a book that's called 12 Lessons for Life by Jordan Peterson. And he said there that the way of living is the line between the chaos and the order, And when you are in that line between those two powers, you will feel all the feeling that you want. From one hand, you will feel the order, the routine, the safetiness, the confidence. And when you are in the chaos part, you will feel the thrill, you will feel the passion, you will feel all the feeling, and life. And together, it's the good combination for your life. And why I'm saying that? Because in the creation, the order and all the mission and to be toward something and to think I want to achieve this and this and this is a masculine energy, and the chaos, it's more the feelings, the emotion, the passion,
the feminine side.
It's the feminine side, and this is the yin and the yang. And when we have, everyone have both of them in their lives and in their body, and when it's aligned and you contain all of this and you really accept those two-sided in you, you can feel alive, and nothing is good or bad. It's not working like that. You have this and you have this, and both of them are necessary, and it depends what you
both
really
of them
want.
Are good.
Yeah, both are necessary to live life, like good life and happy life and all of this. It's funny, it's feminine and masculine, and we put it on women and men, but it's not that. You as a person, you have both of those energies. So it doesn't matter if you are a girl or a boy. If you were born as a man, you have rule in your life and you need to be a bit more masculine than feminine in order to bring the energy,
necessary.
the energy you need to bring to the world. And if you were born as a woman, you have to bring child to the world, and you have to. It's not have to. Nothing is have to. Okay. If someone doesn't want. But this is like the nature, and then when you are like that and you really connected to your decide, everything is more whole. But it's really you need to check with yourself where you are, what you want.
You and your
what
partner
need.
together, you need to bring a complete
Yeah.
situation.
And also the complete is in you, not only the partner, you know.
Yeah, also.
That's what I wanted to say. She took
Important.
it to the partner, but
Important.
I wanted to say that you have both of them. That's what I wanted to say.
So thank you very much for listening to us.
Yes.
Be masculine.
Drink whiskey.
If you understood what we
know,
said,
drink
you know.
double shot of be like that,
Espresso.
you know.
I'm a man. We love you. Thank you very much. יש לך שחור באמצע טיפה. בשיניים.
פה?
כן. קטן קטן.
ממה?
לא יודע.
די.
זה נכנס לבפנים, לא ממש רואים אותו. מה רצית להגיד?
מה אמרנו? אמרת...
יואו, איזה שחור, את לא מבינה. רגע.
אמרת... שלפחות לך אישה, לא אכפת לך.
לפמינן, כן.